All right, some breaking inputs coming in. Explosive politics on Delhi blast. Mehbooba Mufti has now issued a statement which has led to a controversy. Mehbooba Mufti says don't harass people in the name of probe. Let's first listen into that reaction.
मेरे पास अल्फाज नहीं है जो ब्लास्ट हुआ दिल्ली में उसकी मजम्मत उसको कंडेम करने का, खासकर जो उसमें लोग जो जिनकी जान चली गई, इसमें इससे भी बड़ी अफसोसनाक बात यह है कि उसमें हमारे कश्मीर के कुछ डॉक्टर्स का नाम आ रहा है। अगर खुदा ना खास्ता ये वाकई होता है कि ये डॉक्टर इसमें मुलविस थे, तो मुझे लगता है हम जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों के लिए, बिलखुसूस हम मुसलमान कौम के लिए ये लम्हे फिक्र है, क्योंकि न सिर्फ हमारे जो बेस्ट ब्रेन्स हैं वो जाया हो रहे हैं, बल्कि हमारे ऊपर बहुत बड़ा दाग लग रहा है। तो मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ इसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा, फ्री एंड फेयर होगा और जल्द होगा, और साथ ही जो इन लोगों के जिन पे शक है अभी तक, उनके घर वालों को, उनकी फैमिलीज को, उनको मुजरिम समझ के पूछताछ न करें।
All right, let's go across to Sahil Suhail, who's joining us on the broadcast with more details. Mehbooba Mufti says the family members, the primary, secondary contacts who are being picked up, don't harass those individuals. That's what Mehbooba Mufti is saying, which has led to a controversy now.
Well, exactly. This was a statement that was made by PDP Chief Mehbooba Mufti. We had seen on and off Mehbooba Mufti making such statements. In fact, now coming out first condemning this statement, that condemning the blast that has taken place in New Delhi, expressing solidarity with those who lost their lives, but again, in fact, saying that the authorities should not harass the families of those who are just only suspectors. At the same time, Mehbooba Mufti is making important point that it's matter of concern for the Muslims and for the people of Jammu and Kashmir, especially if doctors are involved in such activities, because doctors are in fact other professionals are seen as best brains, and we had seen in this case doctors who had qualified their in fact examinations, completed degrees, worked with government medical colleges in Srinagar and Anantnag, and then in fact moved to Faridabad or New Delhi for practice. But just Mehbooba Mufti making this statement saying that those families should not be in fact harassed, whose in fact members are seen as suspects. Jammu and Kashmir police has detained a number of suspects from Kashmir Valley who are said to be primary or secondary contacts of those doctors who have been arrested in this case, or at least the doctor who is said to be the suicide bomber, who is suspected to be the one who was behind the wheels which blasted in Red Fort area of Srinagar. But at this point in time, the political parties in Kashmir Valley have made a guarded silence over the issue, giving a space to investigating agencies to in fact go for the fair investigation into the matter and bring out and dig out the actual facts of the investigation. So investigating agencies are carrying out their investigation. We have seen NIA team already in Srinagar investigating and interrogating all those who are accused. But Mehbooba Mufti, in a way, making this statement, it can be seen as a tactic of making pressure or pressurizing investigating agencies.
Let's once again play out that reaction. Stay on with us.
मेरे पास अल्फाज नहीं है जो ब्लास्ट हुआ दिल्ली में उसकी मजम्मत उसको कंडेम करने का, खासकर जो उसमें लोग जो जिनकी जान चली गई, इसमें इससे भी बड़ी अफसोसनाक बात यह है कि उसमें हमारे कश्मीर के कुछ डॉक्टर्स का नाम आ रहा है। अगर खुदा ना खास्ता ये वाकई होता है कि ये डॉक्टर इसमें मुलविस थे, तो मुझे लगता है हम जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों के लिए, बिलखुसूस हम मुसलमान कौम के लिए ये लम्हे फिक्र है, क्योंकि न सिर्फ हमारे जो बेस्ट ब्रेन्स हैं वो जाया हो रहे हैं, बल्कि हमारे ऊपर बहुत बड़ा दाग लग रहा है। तो मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ इसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा, फ्री एंड फेयर होगा और जल्द होगा, और साथ ही जो इन लोगों के जिन पे शक है अभी तक, उनके घर वालों को, उनकी फैमिलीज को, उनको मुजरिम समझ के पूछताछ न करें।
All right, we have Shehzad Poonawalla joining us on the broadcast now. Shehzad Poonawalla, Mehbooba Mufti says as far as the primary and secondary contacts are concerned, उनको मुजरिम समझ के पूछताछ मत करिए. She says don't harass people in the name of probe.
No, in the last few days, we have seen arrests of many people who are doctors, and they are being called doctors of terror. And these are the spin doctors of terror. Mehbooba Mufti, Abu Azmi, Samajwadi Party, Anuma Acharya of Congress, all of them have started becoming the spin doctors who are now labeling those involved in such heinous acts against the country as innocent people. And these are the same people who said, Afzal, hum sharminda hai, tere qatil zinda hai. They are the people who batted for Burhan. They are the people who bat for Yaqub. They are the people who say Naxali Shaheed hai. They are the people who say that these terrorists of ISIS are innocent. So you see, there is an ecosystem of spin doctoring of terror, and doctors of terror have been arrested, but the spin doctors of terror, who are the overground supporters and sympathizers, they are still there because they put vote bank niti above Rashtra niti. So I think today their faces are also being exposed as much as this heinous plot of this 0.5 front. They are all part of the 0.5 front that is attacking India from within.
All right, Shehzad Poonawalla, thank you for speaking with us. Thank you to Sohail as well for getting us the details.